What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. We've got the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic in the studio. Now, there is the Watch 8 as well as the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 model. And I decided to pick this one up. If you guys want to see the Watch 8 as well as the Watch Ultra here on the channel, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm excited for this. I used the Watch 6 Classic, absolutely loved it, and I'm happy that Samsung brought it back, and hopefully, you know, next year they also continue this, as well as the other models too. So like a Watch 9, Watch 9 Classic, and the Ultra. But let's take a look. This does come in one size, only available in the 46mm option, so you aren't going to be getting, you know, like a smaller 42. So just do keep that in mind if you are interested in picking up the Watch 8 Classic. Now, this also it's a stainless steel construction with having the rotating bezel, and then it has what they call the squircle. So the Watch Ultra from last year kind of made its way down, trickled down into the entire Watch 8 series. So we're going to see how well that looks as well. And then we are getting a 1.34-inch AMOLED display, and it looks like we get a peak brightness of 1,000, or not 1,000, but 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Ooh, that is clean. That is super clean. Look at that rotating bezel. Absolutely love it. And yeah, the side profile from a glance does look like the Ultra. And oh, it's so much more, you know, like right here, it's really flat. Absolutely love it. And I think we get like some new sensors too, so I'm excited to try that as well. Apparently this is powered by an Exynos chipset and 64 gigs of internal storage, which is awesome. And then I don't think we get anything here, so let's put that aside. And then we just get instruction tool, so there it is. Let's try it out. I'm excited to use this band, but I'm also going to obviously get other bands as well. So let's put that aside real quick. And let's pay attention to the instructions right here. So we got a new mechanism, and I think it's supposed to go this way. Bam. All right, so it just kind of pops right in, and I got this leather, you know, hybrid. So like it has like a silicone feel in the inside, and then a leather look on the outside. But we're gonna go ahead and kind of turn this on because I'm really excited to try this out. Now, obviously, it's a smartwatch, so you're getting a lot of health features and things like that, some new sensors, and it looks like we're going to get like the new vascular load score for, I guess, cardiovascular strain and all that good stuff. We're going to try this out, and we're going to see how well it is, but obviously we got to go through the setup, and I have a, you know, pretty decent sized wrist, so let's see how well it looks. Got to do like the wrist test, I guess. Oh yeah, that looks super clean. Absolutely love how that looks. That is great. Now, if you do want a larger display, I think you probably want to go for the Ultra, but I really do like how this looks. So I'm going to get this set up real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, before we kind of continue, got to see what else is in the box. We got right here the quick start guide, and then we have right here the charging cable, charging puck, if that's what you want to call it. Just like that. You don't get a wall adapter, so just do keep that in mind. But I'm excited to try this out, so let's get right to it. All right, so I'm back with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and I am really excited to use this device. And I really do like One UI Watch 8 or version 8, and there's definitely some improvements here, and it feels very, very fluid. Now, what I've personally experienced with past Samsung devices is out of the box, they're really quick, but over time they kind of slow down. Again, that's just my experience. Some may not experience that at all, but this feels really clean, especially with the Watch Active 2 way back. I got that like end of 2019, early 2020. That one was, you know, it was a great device, a great watch, but it was pretty slow. And yeah, Samsung has come a long way, and I'm excited to try it out. Again, you get all the One UI 8 improvements right here. It looks super clean. out of the box. And we're going to try all the health features. I'm going to be rocking this with both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and then when I switch over to the Z Flip 7. If you guys have any specific questions, like, let me know in the comments down below. Now, while this is available, it costs $499 for the Bluetooth only model, and I believe it's $549 for the LTE variant. But look, it feels like a regular smartwatch, like a regular, or not regular smartwatch, just a regular luxury watch. The Squircle design, you may like it or you may not. It's like there's really no middle. It's either you really like it or you really don't, in my opinion. But I do appreciate the rotating bezel. Stainless steel finish, which is great. You're getting upgraded performance, really good AI-driven wellness features. You're getting Gemini AI right here built into the watch, so you can kind of have a conversation with Gemini right from your watch, which is awesome. And apparently it gets excellent battery life. We're going to try that out. We're going to see how well it lasts. If it lasts for me at least 2 days without charging, that is perfect. I don't like wearing a watch and charging it every single night. So I just want to point that out there. And then there is like running coach tools, and we're going to see how accurate those are over time. But you know, $499, is this going to be a smartwatch for you? We'll see. Right now, how I kind of view this as in the lineup is like, if you want 75–80% of what the Ultra has to offer, you go with the Watch 8 Classic. It sits right in the middle. It's better than the Watch 8 because design-wise, I think it's more luxurious and it just feels so much more cleaner and aesthetically pleasing, but it's not as bulky as the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I'm excited. I think I said that a bunch of times already. It's getting late. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And definitely be sure to check out my wallpaper packs. They'll be in the links in the description down below. This one right here, it's called Color Blast. I do have a bunch of other ones. Again, they go a long way in helping out the channel, and I'll be leaving links to all these products down below. Those also do help out. Thank you all so much. We are getting super close to 50,000 subscribers here on the channel, a number that I still can't believe that we are about to reach. So thank you all so much for making my dream become a reality. It truly does mean a lot. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.